Here's our new interpreter with everything put together. The values data type is the same as before, as is expressions and environments and binding handling. But we have a new data type continue with these 7 cases. We've got done, 2 cases for plus, 2 cases for multiply, and 2 cases for function calls. Parse is unchanged. Interp takes a continuation, and it either finishes by calling continue or interp, whereas continue takes a continuation and a value and either finishes by calling interp or itself. But all of these calls are always in tail position. So if a continue calls interp, then there's nothing around the terp to use that result value. It just has to be the final value. Even in the doAppk case here, interp is nested inside of a match, but it's the final answer for that case of the match, and that match is the final answer inside its case, and that match is the only thing inside of that continuing function overall. In this implementation, we have a test to make sure that the implementation of Mo is eager. It's eager because even though we don't use the argument here x, when I pass in 1 applied to 2, we get an error about not a function. So if I run it, all the tests pass. And even if I go back and make it the lazy version of Shplait, and I run all the tests again, they still pass in exactly the same way, including that extra test to make sure it's eager.